In this video, we're going to go over 5 ways to better utilize SuiteCommerce for both SEO and user experience. One of the first things you should know when you're doing a SuiteCommerce customization is that you can ask your developer to utilize configuration to be able to manage the extension or theme. This can be simple things like swapping out images, swapping out different content, or even some type of special feature that is unique to your business. This can all be managed via configuration if you choose. It takes a little bit more of development time, but in the end, it might be most useful to you because you can manage it without the developer for easy changes. The second way to better utilize NetSuite is to think about your SEO, and especially with your meta descriptions and managing your NetSuite data. On each item, there's a meta description that can be auto-populated if you wanted to. This can then be disabled so that you can always make sure that you have a meta description for every single item. When you have a lot of SKUs in your NetSuite system, this can be really useful to ensure your SEO remains consistent. The third way you can better utilize SuiteCommerce is to ensure you don't have any Google Search Console errors. This directly impacts your SEO as well. One way you can do to test how your SEO is doing is go to Structured Data Tool by Google. You can insert a product detail page to see if anything is coming up as an error. You don't have to be as worried about warnings, but make sure you see anything red and be able to correct it. This will greatly improve your SEO for your website. The fourth way to better utilize SuiteCommerce is to think about My Account. This is especially useful when you're dealing with B2B websites. If you have a B2B website, you can utilize your My Account more effectively with a lot of different customizations. For instance, we built one that you can have any custom record display in My Account whenever they are logged in. This can be especially useful when you have unique information that is directly correlated to that customer and you want them to be able to access it. The fifth way to better utilize SuiteCommerce is to check out what types of extensions people have made. You can do this by going over to SuiteApp.com, or you can go to SuiteMarkets.com, where there's a lot more options by third parties to see what you can browse through. It's a great place to see what SuiteCommerce can do if you're not familiar with the customizations that can be done. Hopefully these ideas to better utilize SuiteCommerce will help give you some action steps to make sure it can be fully utilized for both your company and your customers. If you need any SuiteCommerce help or just have a question that you need answered, feel free to reach out to our team at anchorgroup.tech.